Hey guys, what's up? So today we're on 115. This is one of Mason's 2022 C2s. So this bus would have replaced an All-American. I want to say it was a 2005. I'd have to go back and look. But anyways, inside it's pretty much your basic Ohio Cat specs. Window tint, blue seats, white roof on the outside, of course. One emergency exit window per side. I honestly haven't seen any newer C2s around here that aren't like that. It's got the HD style cross views for a C2, which I kind of like the way that looks. Here's the driver's area. And yeah, I mean, these are 2022s. At least this particular one, and I think 114 is as well. So 115. 115 has underbody storage. And then back here we got the number, the new stop decal. As you can see, 114 is also a 2022. And I think 113 is a 2021. But anyways, here's the back. You can see they removed 116, which was an All-American. And then there's the back of it. Underbody storage again. 115. So yeah, that's Mason's 115. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Let me know what you think, and yeah.